This is your Hollywood maintenance. This is a Whirlpool dishwasher. I'm gonna show you how to put this in diagnostics mode so you could tell what's wrong with it, if anything there is. Here is the model number, which I'll put a link in the description below. What I can tell you about this is if it's not draining correctly, even for residents, I don't know why that's in there. Always check this filter. You can turn it a little bit counterclockwise. Check this. Sometimes the screen is totally clogged. That will cause it from not draining. Check in there and make sure nothing is debris in there and stuff. Clear it all out. This you could just rinse under here, clean it up. See how clear it's getting. I would do that from time to time. Anyway, why wait for it to clog? Check it. You know, if you use the dishwasher a lot, check it once a week. If you don't use it a lot, check it like once a month. If your dishes aren't drying or it's not getting hot, always look for a crack or some type of, like there'll be a crack somewhere along this heating element. Or you'll see like a big spotty thing. It doesn't look cracked, but it's definitely broken. That's an easy fix too. If your door cover comes off, you cannot just buy this detergent door. You have to buy this whole compartment. You have to take off all these screws, and I think it's like a 3/16 Allen wrench bit on there and stuff. But I'm gonna close the door for the diagnostics. Same thing, it's Whirlpool. So you do sequence of 3. See all the lights lit up? And you're gonna just need time for it to think. Like it will go to the fill cycle. It will do the agitate. Well, first it will drain a little bit. And then it will go to the fill cycle, agitate, the heater for the element, the detergent door. I just don't know the sequence of it. But it will give you a code over here. I believe this clean light will blink so many times. The tech sheet is under there, usually underneath the toe kick. Right now it's just thinking. When you put it in diagnostics mode and it don't do anything right away, just let it be. Just be patient, let it do its thing. See how they're switching around? This computer board in here, on this control panel, telling it what to do. It's just thinking, you just have to be patient. Once it gets going, it does not take long whatsoever. I hear the water filling. From this point on, after you just let it sit and be patient, let it think, it doesn't take long from there. You can kind of just tell too, if it's draining, washing, heating, because once it's done with the whole cycle, you could reach your hand in there just above the heating element without touching it. You could tell if it's hot. Or you'll see steam come out too, you know that it's working correctly. See, I could hear the water spraying up everywhere. It's not like it's super low and it's acting weird. I could literally hear the sprayer spraying the top like it's supposed to. I just don't know what all these lights are without pulling out the pick sheet, so I can't tell you step by step. See how they switched? That was the door, the detergent door was working. Now it's washing again. I could be washing with the heater. I have to really look at the lights. But I did hear the detergent compartment door open, so we know that's good. We know the fill's good. We know the washing is good, the agitating. I checked for a broken heating element. It didn't look broken. But if it's bad, it definitely won't be heating. So it could either be one of two things: is the heating element itself is just deep faulty on this one GE model that I have in my appliance videos. It's not broken, like cracked. It doesn't have that big bubble I was talking about. It's just a default on those ones. As soon as you put a new one, it always works. It's just a defect on it. Over here, I pulled the thing that goes in the disposal, the gasket. This way I can show you when it's in drain cycle. If I'm sound echoey, it's just because I'm in a baby unit. I like to test all the appliances prior to everybody moving in. Says you just have to be patient. Check the filters, check for the broken element, make sure the detergent door shuts and locks. I shut it, as you saw, before putting Diagnostics because I wanted to hear it pop open. Look for any debris, clean it up good. Usually on a vacant or somebody's unit that calls for a work order and it's really dirty in there, I'll put a dishwasher cleaner in there, which I'll leave a link in the description below. You can have one sent to your house. Just thinking again, I'm going to guess it's going to be drain or it's doing the heating element right now to heat the water. Like I said, I don't know what these lights mean without looking at the tech sheet. Right now I'm just guessing. But it will go through its own cycle. I'm going to guess that was turning on the heater with the water still in it. And now it's making the water hotter. I also suggest for anybody, before turning on the dishwasher, just so you make sure that hot water is going inside your dishwasher, I always turn on the kitchen faucet and make sure it's getting hot here, because usually the dishwasher and this hot water to the kitchen sink are on one valve or one hot water line. So if you're getting hot water here and then you turn on the dishwasher, you know you're going to get hot water in your dishwasher to start. Believe it or not, some people don't know that, and they're like, it's not hot even when the heating element comes on. You know, It'll get it hot then, but not as hot. Really not much to talk about right now. I just at least want to show you its training. I want to make it through this whole cycle. This is the boring part, but hey, when you're doing a work order, you just have to wait it out. That's all. Make sure it does everything. At least if you have something else to do in the apartment, like change a light bulbs or something like that. Re-put their toilet paper roll holder on, you could do that right away, go do something else, come back to it. I always start with the dishwasher, like if I have multiple things on a work order, so I could put it in Diagnostics, so it could be doing its thing while I'm doing something else instead of just standing here waiting for each thing to do. I don't think I mentioned, if it's not heating the dishes, I said either look for a crack, bubble, or whatever. And if you change the element, which is the cheaper part, and it's still not working, most likely it's this control board right here. It's not sending the signal for it to turn on the heating element. I've had that happen before. Changed the heating element. It still wasn't working after I put it in Diagnostics. As soon as I changed this control board on it, it worked just fine. Even though it's showing it's going through all the steps and stuff. We just got this vacant unit. This is what our units look like inside. Might as well show you around. It's our carpet. This person actually left it in really good shape. Hopefully everybody's staying safe out there. I'm in Denver, Colorado. Say it's supposed to snow today. Supposed to get 1 to 3 inches. I hope not, but we'll see what tomorrow brings. Here's our tub. Not sure if you could tell. It looks yellow on the video, but really not that yellow. But anyways, it's a little off. I know this company that comes out, he washes it for us really good. I don't know what he uses, but if you guys know, I mean, he can get it pretty clean, and if he can't get it clean, it's still kind of yellowish, he'll resurface the tub. And man, it looks so good. Okay, we just moved on the dishwasher. As you can see, it's draining. We're almost to the final steps, guys. just want to show you it's draining. If it don't drain like that, I'm telling you, you have to check that filter. Even as a resident, check the filter. If you use it a lot, like I said, check it every couple of days. Get it cleaned up. If you don't use yours as much, like mine at home, I only check it once a month. I rarely wash any dishes. I have enough dishes where when I drink my coffee in the morning or something, I put 1 cup in there. I barely dirty a plate when I get home. I've been dirtying more plates lately because of this COVID-19. But usually, like, I'll go out to eat somewhere or something. It's just me usually during the week. Then my kids come over on the weekend, and that's when I'll run the dishwasher, because I'll make us something. Still going through its cycle. I bet you it's in drying mode right now with the heating element. I can feel right here, heating element is definitely working. I can feel the steam coming out of it. It's definitely in drying mode. After that, it should be done. I'm just gonna go ahead and move on from there and open this. Oh yeah. I can feel the steam hitting my face. So it looks like we're good. This one's good. Now you guys know how to do it. Thanks for watching my video. I'll try to edit this to move a little bit faster. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, like and subscribe. If you know what each step is, send me a comment. Thanks, bye.